so thrilled to share the France Sacred Feminine Retreat with you, and I'm just so pleased to be here with our French host, the beautiful Anaya Sophia. And tell the group, what is it we're experiencing today?
Well, we started off this morning going down to the Fountain of Love, where perhaps Mary Magdalene used to baptize her initiates. We then moved on to the Isis throne in Rennes-les-Bains, which is the old pathway up to where we are now, which is Rennes-le-Château, which 2,000 years ago was once a temple of Isis.
Yeah, it's been, every step has led to the next step, and the frequency at each site is so totally different. One of the sites that I went to, actually the Throne of Isis, the minute that I sat down in there, I felt it connect to all the pohakus across the Hawaiian Islands. And we have a group of 6 today, and everybody had, of course, a totally different experience with it. April reconnecting with her goddess energy, just really feeling herself as a goddess. And then before I know, for myself at the Fountain of Love, really felt myself being given the golden key. And we're just so blessed to have you. You're just such a really holding the light here at the base of Mont Segur for many lifetimes. So it's such an honor to be able to share these sacred sites and have the memory and the reconnection at a cellular level, at the level of the DNA, with somebody who's been associated with the Mary Magdalene lineage for just centuries. So we're just very, very honored and grateful. Thank you so much, dear one.
Thank you, Diane. Thank you.
Diane Cline, France Sacred Feminine Retreat. We're here at our portion at St. Moon, which started with a beautiful hike up the mountain today. And our first entry point was the church in the obvious cave of St. Mary Magdalene. And Lauren, what was your experience?
Well, just entering the church, you really feel just, I didn't have any sort of expectations going in. There was a mass going on, and we said, oh, do we want to sit in there for a few minutes, just experience the energy of that? And we walked in, and I've been into a few different sacred sites since we've been here, and really just the energy of that church and being inside the cave, it was really just, I would call it a soul remembrance. It was just this feeling of like overwhelming emotion and this feeling of home, and that I've come back to myself, I guess, in a way, and just that really complete feeling that you really can only get from travel, from experiencing new places, and especially places with these different energies of, as we're going through all the Mary Magdalene sites. So.
Yeah, it really, through the experience, it becomes like waves of truth of your own remembering, and just the phrase that had come through today was, it was all worth it. It was all worth it. It was all worth it. And all these lifetimes that we've come over and over again to serve the light and share the Christ consciousness and serve the sisterhood and uplift others, and it certainly has never been a walk in the park. And so it's really great to recollect those parts of your oversoul. And then we also had, and we don't know, just through divine intervention, there's a second secret cave that Mary Magdalene was known to live in, and we were absolutely divinely guided there and literally carried there, connected with hikers who had a rappelling rope, and we were able to go in and experience the frequencies of that cave and that remembering. And then even on the hike down the hill again today, we had some other retreat guests with us that were able to recognize that there was a male presence with us, and we were really feeling, she also is from Kauai, we're really feeling how our Hawaiian guides and ancestors and angels were with us and linking the energy, the aloha, the rainbow bridge of aloha from there to here, southern France and back, and of course had sacred ceremony for that. So we're just honored to have this experience together in our whole group, and we hope you can come someday. Aloha.
Remembering the ancient ones, the women and the wisdom, the women and the wisdom. We are walking on a journey, singing now as one. Remembering the ancient ones, the women and the wisdom, the women and the wisdom. We are walking on a journey, singing now as one. Remembering the ancient ones, the women and the wisdom, the women and the wisdom.